امید که تمامتون جور و سر حال باشین. مسکا جان
مننه از ما سلامونه هم ومنئ په هیله چې ښه اوسئ. نن هوا ډېره ښایسته ده په مسیساګاه کې. نو زه او مجده جانه نن له کار څخه عفو یعنې نن مو کار نه و، بېکاره و، راووتلو چې له دغې ښایسته هوا څخه خوند واخلو او لږ قدم ووهو او له تاسو سره هم ځینې کیسې وکړو.
و دوستای عزیز، سر آب و هوای کانادا اصلا اعتبار نیست. امروز که اگر یک کمک گرم بود فردا سرد میشه و ها حتی اینقدر این قسم می باشه که اگر صبح گرم باشه از طرف پیشین سرد میشه. از اون خاطر دیگه ما چانس از دست نمیدیم و از آب و هوایی که امروز است بسیار خوبش لذت میبریم. و همچنان و حال ما در کجا هستیم مسکا جان؟
مجده جان تا ته به ډېره ښه معلوموي. دا ځای چې زه فکر کوم د مسیساګاه زړه ورته ویلی سو، ډېر ښه ځای، ښایسته ځای دی او مشهوره ځای دی. دلته ځینې ایونټونه هم نیول کیږي، مثلا که هندوان کوم ایونټ لري یا عربان لري یا افغانان کوم کنسرت لري نو دغه ځای کې نیول کیږي. نو ډېر معلومات مجده جانه لري ځکه چې مجده جانه دلته ډېره پاتې شوې ده په مسیساګاه کې.
خب کسایی که در مسیساگاه زندگی میکنن این جای خوبتر میشناسن. اینجا برش میگن سکوار سلبریشن که اینجا همگی هر سلبریشنی که باشه یا مثلا هر کشوری که یک سلبریشن داشته باشن یا یک ایونت داشته باشن باز اینجا میاین و تجلیل میکنن و کنسرت می داشته باشن و دکانهایشان اینجا مثلا دکان میگیرن، دکان اوپن میکنن برمو یک شو یا 2 شو یا 3 شو که می باشه. بعد از این خود گرمی شده میره، یعنی هر هفته هر کشور اینجا ایونت می داشته باشه و بسیار زیاد مثلا مردم اینجا میاین از هر کشوری که باشه فرق نمیکنه، همگی میاین و انجای میکنن، از غذاهای متنوع تست میکنن و میخرن و میخورن. خب فکر کنم مسکا جان ما بریم نشان بدیم به دوستا که مثلا چه رقم یک جای است اینجا و امی حال هم شما میتونین ببینین که چقدر مردم آمدن به خاطر از اینکه آب و هوا خوب است.
دوستانو مونږه په دغه ځای کې چې مونږ مخکې تاسو ته یادونه وکړه په مسیساګاه کې روانو په لاره باندې چې مونږ دغه ښایسته مېرمنه ولیدله نو مو غوښتل چې ورسره یو څو خبرې وکړو. هاي how are you doing?
I'm good, how are you?
كيف حالك؟
الحمد لله. That's good.
ما شاء الله جميلة.
Thank you so much.
أنا أتكلم عربية شوية.
ما شاء الله, that's good. You can speak English or Arabic.
Yeah, English is good. What's your name?
My name is Mona.
Oh, Mona. And what does it mean?
It means like when you wish or hope for something, that's my name. Like I hope something happens to me. I hope like I have a child. I hope I have a house. Yeah, whatever a nice wish you need. It's like this is the meaning of my name.
That's awesome. And your outfit is really like beautiful. Where are you from?
I'm from Palestine.
Palestine, nice. And this is traditional clothes?
Yes. It's not the traditional tatrees. This is made by machine, but usually this art, it's a tatrees. It's usually by handmade. This one is not handmade, but the original one is supposed to be handmade.
Oh, that's awesome.
We also have like something like this. Yeah.
In your country.
Yeah. Also the jewelry and also
Yeah, it's very close.
Yeah, the jewelry, it looks like our from our country, because we have the same jewelry and like the different design, and also we also have some
Something
like scarf putting on our head, and it's like really nice
It's suit you.
culture, like
you.
traditional clothes or cultural clothes.
Yeah, usually cultures of countries is really beautiful. I like to know the other cultures. How do they wear? How, like, what dances they perform? I love it. So also I know how you were in Afghanistan, right?
Yeah.
Oh,
so-
Yeah.
nice.
I
So-
see. I attend so many cultural events.
Yeah. Can you tell us about your culture and your country cultures?
Yeah, actually, Palestinian culture is very rich. Not only in the outfit and the thobes, it's in food, in dances. I'm a dabke teacher, like a dabke coach.
Oh,
I teach the traditional
awesome.
folklore dabke dance.
Perfect.
Each country or each city in Palestine, each village, they have different kind of dabke and names, and also the outfit, the thobes that we wear. Each village, each city has a different patterns, different colors. It depends on the city. Like Beit Lahem different than Jerusalem, different than Al Khalil. So
Yeah, that's
and also
nice.
the food. We are familiar with some kind of food, especially the Arabic food. Like in Palestine, the most traditional Arabic Palestinian food is called مسخن.
Sakhan. I think I had it once.
So what is it?
I not like I don't remember like actually, because one of my best friend,
Yeah,
her name is Basma,
yeah.
and she's from Palestine too.
Really?
Most of time her mom invites me to her house, and
Is it
she
the
made
pharmacist Basma? She's pharmacist.
she was in Halifax. She
I see.
used to work in like maybe pharmacy or in a medical.
Yeah,
But now she's working with with a immigrants organization.
Okay.
Her mom always like invite me on. She cooked some special foods
Yeah.
from Palestine.
yeah. It's like you have the bread. What's the bread you make? It's like Afghani bread. Is it the big bread?
Yeah, the big one.
What do you call it?
We call like naan.
Naan.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the مسخن. It's a big naan in a special oven, like this. You may
Okay. Oh,
dip.
yeah.
Or on the side, like a very hot
Oh.
pot, like on the opposite way the pot, and we have to put on it lots of onion with chicken, and the spices we use is black pepper, salt, and something called sumac.
Sumac.
Yeah, it's give it some sour taste,
Oh.
and lots of olive oil. This is very important in this.
Like one time she invited me on breakfast,
Mm.
and they have olive oil,
Yeah.
and always they put like the bread on the olive oil and they eat it. I said, what? And she told me it's
This
like
is really-
traditional.
Yeah, sometimes like sometimes when the olive oil time in Palestine or in Jordan, like it's ripe and we can what do you call it? Like make it oil from the olives. The only thing we do when we get the fresh olive, we dip it with bread and we taste it. So, yeah, it's really and with za'atar, oregano. You know za'atar?
Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that.
It's supposed to be olive and za'atar, olive oil and za'atar.
Yeah. Basma always like brought
Please don't
za'atar.
talk about foods because we are
Fasting. But
we are fasting. So
see, I eat like too much za'atar. Like always, always my friend like Basma, she brought it like each morning to the office, and we had it.
You know what's the benefits of za'atar, oregano?
It's like healthy. Yes,
Yeah,
it's healthy.
Healthy memory. It makes you like remember stuff and smarter. You know, eat za'atar. It's good.
Yeah, we had it a lot when I was in Halifax. I came from Halifax here.
nice.
I moved from there. So like each morning she brought it and we had it because like we were on diet. And each morning she brought it, say it's healthy, it's
Yeah,
healthy. Please, Basma, don't bring it.
If you don't have za'atar for breakfast, so you're not Palestinian. Za'atar, olive oil and za'atar is supposed to be one of the main dishes on breakfast.
It's nice. Like most, like not like most, like something, like some stuff in cultural between Palestinian or Arab community and Afghan community. It's like the similar. It has similarity.
Yes, especially we call Bilad al-Sham, like Lebanon, Palestine, Jordan, Iraq, Turkey, the countries around each. They have all of them. They have dabke. Like there's dabke everywhere in the Bilad Sham, but each country has a different kind of dabke.
Yeah.
So it's almost close culture between those countries.
Yeah, it is. You told me before you were going to like perform somewhere.
Yeah, I'm going to University of Toronto. They actually I sing also some kind of traditional songs.
Really?
So I'm gonna tell them about the traditional songs, how it's how the songs, our cultural songs, and how our cultural dabki folklore dance is kind of resistance against the occupation. I'm gonna talk about the dances, the dabki, and what does it mean, and the songs that I perform.
That's awesome. Could you please like sing a little for our audience too?
Sure, I'll bring my drum.
Okay, good.
This is in Arabic.
And I love Arabic
And it's
songs.
really long, all the traditional song. They don't sing it nowadays, but people who knows the culture of Palestine, they know what's this song about and why women, they used to sing it long time ago. So I'll sing.
Okay.
يا طالعين عين للجبل يا مول الموقدين النار بين لليمن يمان عين للهنا يا روح يا طالعين عين للجبل يا مول الموقدين النار بين لليمن يمان عين للهنا يا روح ما بدي من كان للخلعة ولا لا 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 بدي ملبوس بين لليمن يمان عين للهنا يا روح ما بدي من كان للخلعة ولا لا لا بدي زنار بين لليمن يمان عين للهنا يا روح. And it's gonna continue.
Mashallah. Wow. Awesome. I love it.
Thank you very much.
Most of the time when I was with my best friend Basma, when we like listen to Arabic song, and she always like translated to me in English like the meaning.
You want me to translate?
Yeah, what does it mean? A little.
Okay, so this song usually they used to sing it when there was occupation in the villages of Palestine, and some of the people, some of the prisoners in the prisons, the women used to sing this song. And if you notice, I repeated the sound of L a lot. This it's like when these women, the mothers, the grandmothers, they used to visit their grandchildren or sons in the prison. They used to go up the hill because the prison is up the hill, and they used to sing this song with the repetitive L sound, because this repetitive L sound, it's like a code. They wanted to deliver a message to the prisoners. When they hear them singing, they wanted to deliver the message for these prisoners that the resistance is coming tonight to release you from the prison. So they have to get prepared. So no one will understand what are they talking about except the people in the prison, because they are from the same village, from the same country. But the other people who are spies, strangers, occupiers, they will never understand it. So that's why they repeat it like a code. They used to deliver the message to the prisoners. Yeah.
That's awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, we have another beautiful woman too. Assalamu alaikum. كيفك؟
الحمد لله I'm good.
شو أخبار؟
الحمد لله بخير. So you're practicing your Arabic, yeah?
Yes. You have also, mashallah,
Yeah, this
beautiful
is,
clothes.
you know, you remember I told you the original handmade tatreez. Tatreez, it's embroiderment. This is the original one.
Oh,
see
it looks,
the difference. This is machine made, and this is handmade, and this
It's
is
like our graph.
even if you touch it.
You Afghan
Yeah, we have
guys?
also.
We are
Yeah, in Afghanistan we also have it, and it's called
Subhanallah,
graphic.
traditional, it's almost
graphic.
same.
Yeah, similarity it has.
So it's heavier. It takes so long time to make it. It's handmade, and you can feel it. It's different.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
Thank you.
What's your name?
Munira.
Oh, Munira. We have this name a lot in Afghanistan. Yeah.
We don't have it a lot in
So we
like
are
my
Muslim.
country,
We all like same. We have same names.
Yes.
Yeah, it's like I really happy to see you here, and it was nice to meet you and nice to talk to you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you. This is a really good chance. I was in the car, by the way, and they kept looking at me. I said, "Okay, do you want to take a picture?" And they interviewed me.
Okay, now we take a picture.
We will take a picture too.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
مسکو ببینید چقدر لباس‌های محفلی در اینجا مقبول است. بسیاری از افغان‌های ما هستن که مثلا بعضی وقت سرچ میکنن یا میپالن که یک شاپ پیدا کنن که لباس‌های محفلی داشته باشه و بتونن که زود لباس بگیرن.
و
دوستای
دخترش
عزیز
چه ماحول
اسکوارون
بگش
یا اسکوارون شاپینگ سنتر، اینجا اگر بیاین هر آن چیزی که خواسته باشین میتونین پیدا کنین.
دوستانو دا سکویر ون مال چې دی د په اونټریو ایالت کې تر ټولو مشهوره مال دی. دلته نو چې کاناډا ته یا اونټریو ته خاصتا تورانتو ته چې څوک راځي دې مال لیدلو ته حتما راځي ځکه چې یو د مشهورترینو مالونو څخه دی د دیزي. نو موږ اکثرا راځو ځکه چې دا موږ ته ډېر نږدې دی او هر څه پکې شته دی، هر رقم هر څه پکې شته ده. مثلا اوس دې کالی ته وګورئ څومره ښایسته دي. مخکې مجدې ورته اشاره وکړله وایي دا کالي ډېر ښایسته دي. نو
تنها اینه، یعنی همینجا لباسای بسیار مقبول دارم، خیلی زیبا.
په دکان کې ډېر ښایسته ښایسته کالي دي. I think دکان یا از ایرانیاست یا از عرباست.
میریم فقط پایسایش میبینیم. بفهمیم مسکا جان دخترها جایی را که زیادتر دوست دارن کجاست؟
کجاست؟
بخش میکاپ که او هم سفورا. در این کشورها مثلا آمریکا، کانادا اینجا سفورا یعنی طرفدار خودش بسیار زیاد داره و میریم میبینیم که او چقدر بیروبار است. چون ما مطمئن هستم دخترهایی که اینجا میآیند یک دفعه 100% به اوجا میرن.
این مال کلان است مجده. من که هر وقت میایم یک دکان کار داشته باشم بسیار سرگردان میشن تا که پیداش کنم. در مپم اونقدر لایق نیستم، یعنی مپم میبینیم که در کجا هست بازم گردش میکنم، چرخش میخورم این مال تا که یک دکان در یک ساعت پیدا میکنم.
مگم چی است اینجا باز داخل اینجا که مپم استفاده کنی زیادتر بر صحیح نشان نمیکنم.
چی بویای هر چیز میآید. حیف که روزه است. در این مال که همیشه آمدیم یک چیزی نه یک چیز خوردیم ولی حال روزه استیم. وست منگه روزانی ولی دوستانو
و ما فعلا روزه هستیم از این خاطر بویایی که در بینیم و میخوره بسیار زیاد خوش.
من بوی پلا زیاد خوشم میاد. بوی پلا یک قسم زیاد هست همینجا بسیار زیاد هست.
ما یک قسم جایی که بیایم دیگه بسیار زیاد چی میشم چون این شاپی که لباس و چیزا می باشه زیاد خوش دارم و خوش دارم که بیایم چای کنم اما نخرم.
نخری؟ من باز عادت ندارم.
نه حالا آدم یک لباس هم میگیره و یک دفعه پوشیدن رایت؟ خب وقتی که لباس گرفتی ترای کردی امروز یک دو عکس یا یک عکس گرفتی دیگه چی نیاز که بخری؟
یعنی که در دکان عکس میگیری؟
سرشان چال.
من باز امی لباس پوشیدن و یک گفا سرم بسیار یعنی اوخه خوش ندارم در دکان لباس تبدیل کنم. همیشه هم لباس که گرفتیم یا خرد می باشه یا کلان می باشه.
و قسم خب ما هم هیچ لباس نگرفتیم که ما امتحان کرده باشم یا چی، اما در اوجی که دیدم گفتم یا این میتونه که کمک کنه آدم.
صحیح.
خب اینجا هم از سفورا
کجاست؟
رسیدیم. سفورا جایی است که مکمل میکاپ و سامانهای آرایشی فروخته میشه. از اون خاطر در هر قسمتی از چی که بدیم همین مال که بدیم آمدیم قدر بیروبار نداشت ولی این قسمت خودتان دیدین شاهد هستین که چقدر بیروبار داره و تنها دختران بچه ها هم میآیند.
بچه ها چرا میآیند؟
من نمیفهم ولی آمدن هم میآیند.
سرمی رولا بسیار بد خورنه. بچه ها چرا میآیند؟
بچه ها نمیآیند میگه نو
بچه ها میآیند
شاید میآیند. من یالا دیدم که یک چند تاش برای خب دوستای عزیز فراموش نکنین سابسکرایب کنین. مسکر جان
زمونږ یوټیوب چینل ځان سره سبسکرایب کړئ. مخکې مجدې ویلې چې هلکان هم دلته راځي، ما ویل چې هلکان ولې راځي په رولا باندې بده ولګېدله نو موږ ورته وخندل. تاسو ګورئ ډېر بیروبار دی دلته.
خداحافظ دوستای عزیز، جور سر حال باشین. خداوند روزه و نماز را در راه خود
تر بیا ښې چارې د الله په امان.
خداحافظ.